Thank you for signing up with Google AdWords. You're just a few clicks away from creating your first campaign. Let's see how you can use AdWords to reach your target audience and effectively grow your business. First, you should know that there's no minimum budget requirement for AdWords. Therefore, you can spend as little or as much as you'd like on your advertising with Google. There are a number of benefits to Google AdWords. AdWords makes it easy to reach the audience you're looking for, big or small. You can also make changes to your account at any time, so you can quickly adapt your campaigns to your changing business needs. Finally, you'll have quick access to your campaign results, giving you the data you need to make smarter advertising decisions. Google's advertising network allows you to reach millions of customers across the US and around the world. In fact, approximately 8 out of 10 US internet users view AdWords ads each month. But with AdWords, you don't have to reach everyone. Let's say you're a store that sells dog toys. By targeting Google searches, you can reach the audience most relevant to you. In this case, that would mean people interested in dogs or dog toys. You can also use geographic targeting to show your ads to a local, national, or international audience. This means you advertise to an audience as specific as people searching for dog toys within 20 miles of San Francisco, or as general as people reading articles about pet care anywhere in the world. AdWords is flexible. It allows you to start or stop your ads from running at any time. You can spend as little or as much as you want. If you select cost per click pricing, you'll only be charged when people click on your ads to go to your website. Unlike traditional forms of advertising, AdWords allows you to see exactly what you are getting out of your budget. Each dollar you spend and each click you receive are tracked clearly within your account, allowing you to make concrete, data-driven decisions quickly and easily. Let's take a look at a demo account where the ads would have been running for a while. If we look at the search term puppy toy, you can see that this phrase brought you 123 visitors and 65 sales from these visitors. AdWords also allows you to make changes within your account in a matter of seconds. Let's say the search term puppy toy gives you a lot of sales. You might want to increase the amount you are willing to pay per click for the search term puppy toy to get more clicks. We can simply click on the current bid and quickly change it using inline editing. Now that we've learned a little bit more about AdWords, let's see how to get started. It's easy. Just follow these 4 steps. Choose your budget, create your ads, select your keywords, and enter your billing information. The first thing you'll do is enter a daily budget. Next, you'll create your own ads using unique information about your business and the products or services you offer. Your ads will usually include a title, 2 lines of description, and your website's address. You can update your ads whenever you like. After that, you select keywords, the words and phrases relevant to your business. These keywords are the terms that prompt your ads to show next to relevant searches on Google.com and on search partner sites, as well as relevant pages across the Google Content Network. Finally, you'll select your billing method. Simply enter your payment information, and after a $5 activation fee, your ads will be ready to run. To get started, click on Create Your First Campaign.